My grandfather started smoking cigarettes 5 months before he died at the age of 87. I was the first to catch him smoking. He was in his bedroom. I didn't know what to say, so I coughed. He looked down and kept on smoking. He didn't really care what anyone thought. My mom was worried that the house would catch fire. I slept with my shoes on just in case. The last thing my grandfather said to me was quietly whispered as my parents argued downstairs. He said, "If you teach a man to drown, he'll swim forever." After that, he began peeing his pants and it would leak onto the carpet. Mom wasn't too happy about it and eventually refused to clean up. I can still hear the rusty whine of my grandfather's wheelchair rolling to its spot at the top of the stairs.